Okay, I'm servicing the old cat today. Now this it's called a breather. Now, in order to find this little thing right here, you gotta let the cab up, okay? And you gotta come back in here. And the breather sits right there. Right there. So, got that part out of the way. The next step is all right, we gotta do change the oil, okay? I already took the plug out, drain the oil. All right, next I'm gonna take this fuel filter off. And back in there is your oil filter. So I gotta get back in there, do the oil filter. And after that, you gotta change your oil, final drive oil on both sides. Then you gotta grease it. All your grease fittings. All your grease fittings. Okay. Now I got my oil. They said take 2 gallons. I got my oil filter, fuel filter. That's my gear lubricant. That's that breather right there. All right, next you gotta send in your oil samples, okay? You got oil sample, you gotta send in. You got coolant sample, and I think that's gonna be my differential oil.